So you want to progress as a day trader. You want to get better every single day, and you want to know which pairs you need to start trading to get better and to start growing. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps that you need to take in order to become better. And spoiler alert, it's not trading more pairs. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Artie, and this is The Moving Average, a show where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. So let's just jump right into it. The first thing that any new trader needs to do is learn the fundamentals. So that's rule number one. Learn the fundamentals. Getting the basics of trading down is extremely important. You need to learn how to read charts. You need to know which indicators are useful and which ones are useless. We all start somewhere, and that's the starting point. You need to learn how to do technical analysis. You need to learn market structure. You need to just basically watch all of my videos. I've got a new playlist where I've ordered everything in order from A to Z, which ones you should watch in which order. So that is the beginner's playlist. It's right here. Once you've done that, step number two is going to be to open up a demo account. I don't want you to actually start trading real money, because when it comes to trading real money, it's a mental game. When you start seeing those red numbers and your trade is going negative, something happens inside of you that I can't explain. You have to feel it for yourself, but you will close a trade 9 times out of 10 when it's negative because you don't want to lose any more money. It's weird, but what you need to do is develop your strategy and actually test it on demo over time to gain the confidence to know that that strategy works and to understand, like, okay, now I'm in drawdown. It's going to go in the direction that I expected. If it doesn't, it hit my stop loss, and you need to let your trades play out. So again, step number two, demo account. Step number three is a weird one. It's give it time. Nobody's gonna get good at trading in 1 week. It's impossible unless you're the dude from Limitless with the little clear, you know. So just give it time, practice, 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 back test, watch videos on YouTube, learn more and more and more and more, and eventually you'll get to the point where you just feel comfortable with your day trading. Okay, now for the juicy part. A lot of people think that, you know, when you start trading the markets, you know, you get into Forex and you start trading Euro USD because it's the most common pair. And then you grow into GBP JPY, and then you get into indices like US 30. And then once you've mastered that, you get into crypto because crypto is all the rage. And that's not how progression works. Basically, what you're doing is you're starting off at step one, learning it, and you're like, cool, I want to get on to step two. And you think step two is GBP JPY, but it's not. GBP JPY is a completely different beast than Euro USD. So what you're doing is redoing level one, and then you move to indices and it's a completely different beast. So you're redoing level one again. What you need to do to progress as a trader is find the 2 or 3 things that you can trade consistently on demo and master them. Delete everything else off of your screen. You shouldn't have 97 different symbols in your watch list. I do this to show specific examples for my videos. My actual trading list looks like this. You have to pick 3 instruments that you want to master and stare at them and study them every single day. Once you master those things, that is progression. Treating US 30 like your best friend and you know exactly what they're gonna do before they even do, that's progression in day trading. Mastering a thing is better than trying new things and getting better at them, because then you're gonna be slightly decent at everything versus lethal on one. So that's rule number 4. And rule number 5 when it comes to progressing as a trader is to stick with the plan. So many people, and I mean, I'm guilty of this too, so many people start with their strategy, it's starting to work out, they're making some money, and then it fails, and then it fails, and then it fails, and they completely throw it away and start looking for the next best thing. That is the biggest mistake in day trading, because you have to understand you're going to have losses. Your strategy works a certain percentage of the time. And if those losses come in sequence, you get frustrated with your strategy and you think it doesn't work anymore. So you go looking for the next best thing instead of continuing on your strategy and waiting for those wins to start showing up again. So pick a strategy, stick with it. it'll work out. You have to look at the percentages over time. You're not gonna become a millionaire overnight doing this. You have to be consistent and seriously, seriously diligent. So if you guys are still watching this video, guess what? That means that you like the video. So if you wouldn't mind, click the like button down below and subscribe if you have not already for more videos like this, and we will see you in the next one.